and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. Let us be thankful and enjoy the rest of the day.
Guys, today we'll be having another unboxing. Two items to unbox. And let's start with this one. What is this? Useful item for our households. Okay, you see the sleeves for the protection. Pinit lang natin here. And we'll pull out the item. Charan! Okay. So we have another casserole. It is a stainless casserole. And let's remove the plastic here. There it goes. So it's about 3 liters. Okay, it's smaller than the one I'm using and I'm cooking. The Teflon casserole, it's about 5 liters. So let's put this aside. Go to the second item for our household here. Right. Okay, what is this? You will see in the box. May punit na yung box. Okay. We bought this one from SM Department Store. And it's a plug and play item also again. Okay. Oh, you see, if you're a coffee lover, you will be excited with this one. I'll be removing part by part to show you guys what do we have. Okay, here is the pot. It's about 10 cups. Okay, and this is how it looks like on top. You see, it's properly sealed. You will be opening this one here. You just need to wash, there. So you'll see the inside, wherein you will be putting the water for about 10 cups. You have the line here. If you're visually impaired, just need to follow the line. Make sure your hands are clean to prepare this one. And here is the what do you call this? The filter. It's reusable, and you also have the dripper. Oh, it's nice. So you just need to pull these two items out when you are going to wash the after you cook the coffee, of course, where you brew. Okay, and you close it. It's nice. And you need to just power it on and off in the side, and you're good to go. Okay? I hope you enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll see you around.
Let us be kind and grateful. No matter how hard life is, our Heavenly Father will always be with us. May the love and peace be always with us. Just choose the right path of our lives because everything is already written in the stars. So, be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive energy alive.